Okay, so now everything is fine, guys. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, let's move on. Okay. This is nothing but what? JAS, right? The Java authentication and what? Authorization. Service, right? Service. This is nothing but what? Java authentication and what? Authorization service. Means what is that? Verifying, right? Verifying what? Username and password, right? Username. Verifying is nothing but what is that? Verifying what? Username and password is nothing but what, guys? Authentication, right? Connection gone. Just reconnect again, Ravi. Sorry. Connection gone means what? Any problem is there, guys? Use the chat box. Hello. Okay. All right. Okay. Authentication means what, guys? Authentication means what? Authentication means what, guys? Checking. Checking. What is that? Logging. Logging. Right? Logging means what? Logging. User. User and what is that? Password. User and what? Password. Right? And authorization means what is that? And authorization means what? Verifying what? Roles. Verifying what? Roles, right? Authorization means what, guys? Verifying what? Roles. Okay. Authorization means what? Verifying roles. Nothing, right? Just verifying what? Yes. So there actually, I'm using what is that? Free Zoom meeting, right? Free Zoom meeting. So this Zoom meeting just giving what? 40 minutes. After then session will end by default only. So reconnect yourself until unless if I'm not saying what is that session is completed, right? So session is completed. So same like okay guys. So authentication is what? Three type. Okay, authentication is what, guys? Authentication. Okay, authentication is what? Authentication is what, guys? Three type, right? Authentication is what is that? Three type, guys. Okay, so what is that authentication? Permit all, authenticated, and what is that? Authorized, has authority, right? Has what is that? Authority. Permit all means what? Just think about that. Whenever we are opening, right, any user can, what is that? Just what is that? Just think about that. Whenever I'm making what? FB request, right? FB logging request, right? for the everyone, right? For the everyone, anyone can make the request, right? For everyone, what is that? This page will be open, right? For that, for the what, everyone, right? For the everyone, what, this page will be open, right? This is nothing but what, guys? This is nothing but what, permit all, right? This is nothing but what, permit all, means anyone can access this page, right? Means what, anyone can access this page. Okay, now this is nothing but what is that, permit all, right? After then what, after then authenticated, right? Authenticated means, think about that, what is that, just what is that I'm putting, what here, what is that, password, right? Password. Here just after then what is that, after then see, by default, right? By default, whenever the people will open, anyone can open, right? Who is the opening our own what, Facebook account, right? By default this page will be what is that, home page, right? Home page, home page, this home page will be open for everyone, right? Means this is nothing but what is that, authenticated, right? After logging, right? After logging anyone can access what is that, anyone can see the by default this page, right? Which one, home page. That home page is nothing but what, guys? That home page is nothing but what, guys? Authenticated. Authenticated, right? Yeah, authenticated. Now fine, fine, okay, so after then what is that, after then what is that, I want to give what, right? See, come here, come in the diagram only, right? So some pages, right? Some pages is there, right? Think about that, right? Uh, some pages, right? Some pages is there in the application, right? Which one only can access what is that, employee, and some pages is there, admin can access that page, employee cannot. A student, right? A student page can access what is that, admin also and a employee also, right? Admin also and what, employee also. That is nothing but what is that, guys? Has authority. Has authority means I have the authority to access what, this page only, right? This page only. So for that what is that, so for that, that is nothing but what is that, that is that nothing but what is that, authenticated, has what is that, has authority, has authority, or has any authority, right? So this is nothing but what is that, guys? Three, what is that, three, what is that, authenticate, authentication, right? Three, authentication, right? Based on this one only we will perform what, we will perform what, authentication and what, authorization operation, right? Operation, just like think about that role, right? So think about that bank application is there, right? Login is required along with role, right? Login, right? Just think about that key, permittal, giving the resources URL can be accessed by everyone, no security need, right? In that no security need, right? So everyone can access this, what is that, logging page or not, login page or not in the application. So same like that is nothing but what is that, permit all, means after logging some pages by default will come. That is nothing but what is that, authentication, and has authority only what is that, that role, based on that role that person can access that page only. That is nothing but what is that, has a authorization, guys. Okay, has a authorization, right? So what we will happen, what we will do now, so just I'm going to develop one application. In that only, again we will come here, right? This is the totally theory, right? This is the totally theory. So don't worry. First, what we will do now, let's develop one small application. A small application. In that small application, we will take multiple, right? Multiple pages, right? And then first, what we will do now, normally we will make the request and we will implement what is that, in memory security in that application. Okay. So in memory application. So just what I'm going to do now, just I'm creating one application, guys. New. What is that? Maven. Next, web Next, Spring Security in memory. Yeah. Now, see that first what we are going to do now, guys, set up environment, see the application, who is the new in the session, right? Who is the new in the session, see that properly, okay? So what we will do now, right click on the project, right? Right click on the project, go inside what build path, go inside what configure build path, okay. So add library, go inside what server runtime, select what is that server, finish, apply and close it. Then you will get what is that working folder, right? Working folder. After then what you will do now? What you will do now, guys? Go inside what? SRC, main, webinf. Go inside that. What is that? Webinf. Delete this web.xml. This one also no need. Index.jsp also no need. Now open the pom.xml. No. Go on what browser? WebMVC dependency. Copy from the internet. What is that? WebMVC dependency. Copy this, paste inside. Another one is what? Maven compiler. Copy this properly. Another one is what? Fail on missing. Tag. Now whatever required dependency we have need, guys, we completed, right? We completed now. Okay. So right click on the project, update the Maven project. Inside this one, right click, create one folder. Here we will store what? We will store all pages. Okay, guys. Okay, my system is hanging now. Okay, so because of that, it's right now complete. So, but before after that, then what is that we are seeing? What here? Red mark, right? Red mark. Come in the problem section. Come in the problem section, right? See that what is that? Project facet dynamic web module 4.0, right? 4.0. So what we will do now, go inside what? Help, right? Sorry, window. Okay, after then what is that? So go inside that, select the navigator, right? Navigator, and open it. After opening that, right, project facet, open that project facet core.xml. Inside that, what is the, no, sorry, this one is not. Select our own project. What is the project in memory, right? Open this one, select, right, open this project facet core. Here 1.5 Java is there. Change it what? 1.8, and GSTL web, right? Make this one as a what? 4.0. That's it. Now, what you will do now? Go in the project, right? Right click on the project, update the Maven project. Update the Maven project. See that red mark is after updation, the project it will gone. See, the problem is resolved, right? The problem is resolved, guys. Okay, na? So what is that? So let's develop one normal application, right? Normal application. So just I'm taking what? Multiple pages, right? Just I'm taking what is that? Multiple pages. So first, what is that? GSP. Select the next. Inside that, what is that? First one I'm giving, what is that? Admin dot what is that? GSP. Admin.gsp, right? One page is there. Multiple pages we are creating, right? Based on that, we will know that. Just I'm writing what is that? H1. What is that? Welcome to what? Welcome to admin page. Welcome to admin page, right? So now another one more page, right? Create one more page. Multiple pages we will, based on that we will decide the role, guys. Okay, because of I'm creating now. Select the GSP. I'm taking this page name is what? Home page. Just home page, right? Home.jsp. Now finish. Welcome to home page, right? Another one more page, what? Common page. We will take what? Common page also. Right click. common.jsp. Fine, guys. After that, if any error will come, for that deny page, right? For that, what is that deny page? Admin common. Okay. One more student page also. I will take what is that one more student page also. That's it, guys. Now, okay. Now, pages we created. Okay. So let's write what? Let's write what controller class. So before okay, the pages we completed. Okay. So come here. Okay. Come inside that. Right click on that here. New. Here take the class. Right. Take the class. So here what we will take now com dot rk dot what is that config, right? Here what I'm going to do now, what I'm going to do now, app config, right? I'm taking one class as what app config, but before configuration we have need to configure one dispatcher servlet. For that we will take what one more package, right? So for that what we will do now, we will take what one more package. So right click, new class. Here I'm taking what is that init package, right? Now app init, right here. Okay. So now fine. Here what we will do now, extend. I'm not going to explain these guys. Okay, we already completed these things. Okay, abstract annotation, abstract annotation config dispatcher servlet initializer. Abstract annotation config dispatcher servlet initializer. Yes. app config. Just I'm doing setup, guys. Okay, just I'm doing still security concept we not implemented. No. Okay, fine. So here, if we want to make this class as what? If we want to make this class as what? Configuration class. Which annotation we will apply, guys? Configuration, right? Configuration. Now, if we want to, what is that? We are going to use what? Stereotype annotation. For that, to scanning the stereotype annotation. Which annotation? Component scan, right? Component scan. Inside that, we will pass what base package com.rk. com.rk. Now we are working what we are working what WebMVC. So enable, what is that? Enable, what is that? WebMVC. We will apply on the top of what? This annotation. After then, what is that? Number of method equal to number of what? Number of what is that? Bean equal to what? A number of sorry, number of method equal to number of object, right? So what is that? Public. Public, what is that? Internal resource view resolver. IR, internal resource view resolver, right? IV. Now make as a bean, right? Bean, we will apply on the top of this bean annotation. After then, what is that? Set I dot set prefix. What is the prefix? Web hyphen inf slash, what is that? Pages slash, right? Here also slash. Now suffix dot JSP. Fine. So now let's develop what? Controller class, right? Let's develop what? Controller class. Now right click, new class, app controller. Now fine. To make this class as a what? Controller class, make what is that? Controller annotation, right? Controller annotation. Within the 10-minute again meeting will end, guys. Okay. Within the 10-minute again meeting will end. Okay. So now what is that? Public string what? Public string what? Public string, what is that? Show show home, right? Public string, what is that? Show home. Okay, fine. Now return, what is that? Return, what is that? Just here I will return what? Home page, right? Home page, what is that? Home dot page. Sorry, home page, right? So now I'm making what? At the rate get mapping. So here, what is that? Slash home, right? Slash home. Okay, fine. So now one. Now I'm copying the same only, right? Copy this one. Little bit changes I will do. Okay. So here I'm taking what? Admin, right? Admin. Here, what is that? Admin page. Here, what is that? Admin page, right? Admin page. After then, what is that? Another one more I'm taking. Here, what is that? Here, I'm taking another one is what? Another one is what, guys? Another one is what? A student.
Student.
A student, right? Two more denied and common pages there, right? Now, let's take this one also. Copy this one and paste it, right? So here I'm taking what is that? Denied. Yes. Now controller is completed. See that, let's see that. Okay, without what is that? Without what? Without security, right? So now I'm running this application, right? I'm running this application. It's taking time, guys. Yeah, now finish. Yes. So now copy this one, right? Copy this one, come here. First controller is what? Home, right? Home. Yeah. See, welcome to home page, right? Welcome to home page. Okay. So we are getting that. Okay. So here now. Okay, fine. So again, what is that? Another admin, right? Admin. I'm making the request. What is that? Admin. Now I'm making the request. What? Admin. Okay. Welcome to admin page. Now another one is what? Another one is student, right? Make this one as a small student, right? I'm making the request. What is that? Student. It's okay. I know that. Because still the application is I made changes, right? Yes, TUD and spelling is correct. Okay, no problem. Deny. See, you have no role to access, right? All those without these pages is coming as what? Without security, guys, right? Common page. Let's access the common page also. See, welcome to logging user. Only logging. Spelling mistake. Okay, only logging. No role required, right? No role required. Okay, fine. No problem. Okay, so deny, right? Student. One minute. One. I think reload is completed. Student. Yeah, see, welcome to student page. But this is what? This is the without security, guys. This application is what? Without security. So if we want to implement in this application, right? If we want to implement in this application, what is that? Security. So we have need what? Two dependency, right? Two dependency. First dependency we have need what? Spring. Spring. What is that? Spring security web maven dependency. What is that? Spring security web maven dependency. Come inside what? Come inside what? Central repository. Copy this one, Spring Security Web, right? Now come inside that what? Form.xml. Another one is what? Another one is what, guys? Spring. Spring. What is that? Spring Security Config. Another one is what? Spring Security Config, right? Config dependency. Two dependency we have need to perform what? Spring operation. Spring Security operation. Yeah, both dependency we kept inside what? Now let's write this code, right? Now let's write this code. Okay, so we know that, right? Already, right? Already, what is that in the controller, right? Multiple, right? Multiple. Whenever we are writing the logic, right? Multiple pages is there, right? Based on that, this is nothing but what, guys? URI, right? So whenever we will write, whenever we will write the code in what? Configurer HTTP security, right? Configure what? HTTP security. So this URL we will specify with what? Ant matcher, right? Ant matcher and